everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be with Chad. You guys know Chad of David Weekly Homes, and he is excited to show us a quick move-in. That means it's ready for you today here in the sought-after Crosswinds at Nocatee. And Crosswinds at Nocatee, Chad, I know is one of the best places because why? Easy to get in and out. Easy to get in and out. So thanks for having us.
Of course, Heather. Thanks so much for coming.
So tell us about this quick move-in we're looking at.
Yeah, so this is 2331 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath.
I love the tall doors, everything, all of your doorways. I love the height, so it just makes the home feel even, yes, feel even larger.
And what's fantastic too is you step into the foyer here. So you have 10-foot ceilings and then 12 with the tray, and it really, it feels grand.
And as we came in, we had storage, so whether that's going to be a coat closet, a drop zone, you've got your own powder room that Carling just showed, and then over here off of the 2-car garage, the family drop zone, which I love, already built in. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah, and there's a bedroom. So we have 2 bedrooms on the main level here, and it's really nice because it's separated, from the master or the primary.
I love that. And then, so a lot of people are moving here with their parents, their older parents. So having the 2 bedrooms on the first floor, so your primary and a secondary on the first floor, you've got that population of residents. So if they are older, all down on one floor, or it can be a guest room, it can be an office, or as I like to say, favorite child room. And now we walked in seeing the beautiful kitchen. Crosswinds is a gas community, and I love the colors. Thank you for doing just white. You did light colors. I'm noticing
it's
even
really
the
bright,
floors.
Right? Yeah, our designers do a really wonderful job pulling everything together.
I like the space in between the island as you're seeing, and Carling, maybe walk around the whole thing, just showing great space, stainless steel features. The hardware is beautiful. You chose black, which a lot of times the black is actually more expensive.
Right.
I notice in the packages that the builders offer. Lots of drawers. Carling showed deep drawers in the kitchen. I think deep drawers are important, especially those of us that like to cook, pots and pans.
Lots of storage,
And Carling, can we peek into the laundry room? Because this laundry room, thank you David Weekly Homes for doing a large laundry room. Everyone knows I love a laundry room. You've got the sink. So if you do have kids, you're hand washing their smelly clothes. You like that, right, Chad?
Yes, yeah. I mean, I think life's too short to do your own laundry, personally, but it's really nice.
Chad's not using the laundry room.
Exactly.
Chad's using it as that's another closet.
Yeah, wine cellar. We can get creative with it.
Well, and that's the thing is that when you make an appointment and come see this home, to your point, Chad, that laundry room, you can use additional storage in that space. And also the height of the ceiling because it's under the stairs. Mm-hmm. So there's extra height in there. And then Carling is showing, are we gonna look outside, Carling, or just stay in here? So stay inside.
So these big sliding doors, I mean, it brings in so much natural light. It's really just kind of drenched in all the natural light from the glass here, which is fantastic.
And I love the sliders, Chad, how you can collapse it either direction. So great depending on if sunlight's coming in or what side, if you put some chairs on, how you decorate that patio.
Definitely.
And David Weekly Homes, you see, has already put in the vinyl fence along the back. And then what style of fence can they do along the sides if they choose to close it off?
Yeah, so you could run a black aluminum fence, and tie it into that back privacy fence. So really a lot of options.
And then as you're coming around, you have a door. This door, when we go into the primary bedroom, Carling will flip back around and you can see one of the things we noticed. I said, I love that if you are in the primary bedroom and you just want to wake up and walk outside, or you have a pet, you don't have to walk around the corner. You can use that door to exit, but also there's great storage outside of this bedroom. The tray ceilings, again, recessed lighting.
And it's a large room too, isn't it?
Very large. So nice size room. And again, Carling, just really fast. You'll pan to the right and it shows, yep, that door. And then again, there's storage right outside. So David Weekley Homes, one thing they've always done, regardless of size of their homes, they've always put adequate storage in each home.
Definitely. Yeah, we do a really wonderful job with the storage and just kind of optimizing all of the space. We have a 60-inch freestanding bathtub in here, so you can have a nice spa day after all of your Nocatee activities. And
Very
then,
beautiful.
Of course, a shower with a glass enclosure.
I love the frameless glass. Very beautiful. Again, clean lines throughout this home. And then a nice size, you've got your closet. I'll call it mine and mine. just mine. And I want to tell people about Crosswinds. First of all, if you go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down and click on Crosswinds. You'll be able to see the site map and see the layout of this great neighborhood. This particular lot, the great thing is you are within walking distance to Crosswinds Park. Crosswinds Park is going to be, if you do move here with kids, where your kids get to play. You also have a walking path over there. If you have kids in kindergarten through 8th grade, Crosswinds also has a golf cart path to Pine Island Academy. Or if you have a high school student, because Crosswinds is located off Pine Island Road, very easy for your 9th grader through 12th grader to get to Nice High School, which is the zoned high school for the students of Nocatee, St. Johns County. And one of my favorite things is Settlers Pond. Crosswinds is within golf cart, walking, biking distance to Settlers Pond, which is a 14-acre. It's a catch and release stocked fishing pond. So there's so many benefits to living in Crosswinds. You can also go to explorenocatee.com and then, of course, see Crosswinds, which is on the southern end of Nocatee. 50 neighborhoods in Nocatee, and guess what, guys? Nocatee is on its final 10, which means when they're sold out, they are sold out.
Yes.
So now we've walked up the beautiful stairs and we're upstairs and we've got two, secondary
yes.
bedrooms.
2 secondary bedrooms up here, great size. And now these 2 bedrooms, they're not above any other bedrooms. So you can jump up and down, make a bunch of noise.
I love that, and thank you for saying that, Chad. That is the one thing, a huge selling point to this particular Landon quick move-in floor plan by David Weekley Homes. Those 2 bedrooms, whether you use them 4 bedrooms, for a workout room, offices, whatever you need, guest space, those 2 rooms are not above the 2 rooms on the bottom floor. Also, Carling, I want to point this out. This was super cool.
This is awesome.
Okay, this is a storage space. When you move in, of course, it's your attic space. But again, you're not walking upstairs, for example, in your garage, which is very nice, those pull down stairs. This, your easy access, but the best part about this space, tell them, Chad.
You can finish it out. So you definitely can add a little bit of extra space, or of course you can lock your kids, spouse in there.
Come here, Chad. Okay, what I love that you can finish it. So if you did need, an air-conditioned space, so David Weekley Homes can mention how that's done. Of course, you'll do it after you close on the home. So you need to move to Crosswinds today, because when this is sold, it is sold. Great price, too. We're not going to say it on camera, but I cannot wait for you to call Chad. Yeah. Great incentives, great price. This is going to sell fast, guys. Call Chad today. David Weekley Homes here at Crosswinds. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much.
Bye.